Reflect in English podcast.
At the supermarket, a shopping adventure.
Ben? Hey, is that you?
Oh, Lily, hi. What a surprise.
I know. I didn't expect to see you here. Are you shopping?
Yeah. Well, not really for me. My sister Anna gave me a list. She said, "Ben, please go to the supermarket for me." And here I am.
That's funny. I'm here for my mom. She asked me to buy a few things for dinner.
Oh, nice. So, you come here often?
Yes, this is our family's usual supermarket. I almost know where everything is.
Perfect, because honestly, I have no idea.
Then maybe I can help you. What's on your list?
Okay, here we go. Apples, bananas, carrots, onions, tomatoes, potatoes, rice, pasta, beef, butter, yogurt, soap, shampoo, toothpaste, laundry powder, tissues, paper towels, pepper, olive oil, cereal.
Whoa, Ben, that's a mountain of groceries. Your sister must want to open a restaurant.
Oh, no, wait. That was my English vocabulary list.
Oh my gosh, Ben, you almost scared me.
Here's the real shopping list. Let's see. Okay. Eggs, bread, cheese, chicken, some apples, and orange juice. Much smaller.
That makes more sense. Come on, let's find the eggs first.
So, where are the eggs?
They're usually in the refrigerated section. This way.
Wow. This supermarket is huge. I feel like I could get lost here.
You'll be fine. Look, here are the eggs. How many do you need?
Just one box. But wait, there are different sizes. Small, medium, large, and free range? Organic? What's the difference?
It's mostly about price and quality. Large eggs are bigger. Free range means the chickens live outside, not in small cages. Organic means no chemicals in the food they eat.
Huh. Okay. Anna didn't write details. I'll just take the medium ones. They're safe, right?
Safe and cheaper. Good choice.
Next is bread. Where is that?
Bread is over there, near the bakery section. Follow me.
Oh, wow, that smells so good.
Yeah, I love this part of the supermarket. Sometimes they even give free samples.
Free food? Count me in.
Here we are. Which bread do you want?
The list just says bread. But there's white bread, brown bread, whole wheat, baguettes, even bagels.
Maybe just a simple loaf of white bread. Anna probably means that.
Good idea. Done. Bread. Check.
Okay, cheese.
Cheese is in the same section as milk. Look, right here.
Whoa, so many kinds. Cheddar, mozzarella, Parmesan, brie. How do people even choose?
It depends. Cheddar, simple. Mozzarella is good for pizza. Parmesan is for pasta. Brie is fancy.
Let's not make life too complicated. Cheddar it is.
Cheddar it is.
Apples next.
Easy. Here we go. Red apples, green apples, yellow apples. Which ones do you like?
I like the red ones. They look sweet.
Okay, then get some red apples. But how many?
The list just says apples. Maybe 6?
Let's weigh them.
Oh, look, 1.2 kilos. Price is by weight, right?
Yep, that's about $3.50.
Okay, not bad. Last thing, orange juice.
Here. But again, many kinds. With pulp, without pulp, no sugar, fresh, bottled. Just pick the normal one without pulp.
Got it. Done. Shopping complete. Wow. That was easier with you. If I was alone, I'd probably still be standing near the eggs, confused.
You're welcome. By the way, how are things at school?
Oh, busy. We have a new English teacher, Mr. Carter. He's cool, but gives lots of homework.
Yeah, I heard. I think he wants us to speak more in class.
True. And what about the drama club? Are you still in it?
Yes, we're preparing a play. It's so much fun.
That's great. I wanted to join, but Anna said I should focus on my grades first.
Classic big sister advice.
Exactly.
We're practicing every Friday. You should come watch. I mean, you should join. It's great for your English, too.
Yeah, I'll think about it.
All right, let's head out.
Wait, I think I forgot something.
Already? What is it?
It says here, chicken. We never got chicken.
Okay, back we go.
There are so many kinds of chicken here. Whole chicken, chicken breasts, chicken legs, wings, drumsticks, and even frozen nuggets.
It depends on what your sister wants. Did she write details?
Just chicken.
Very helpful.
Maybe the chicken breasts? They look simple.
Good idea. They cook fast too.
Oh, wait. This says 500 grams. Is that enough?
Well, usually 1 pack is enough for a small family dinner. If you're not sure, buy 2. How much is 1 pack?
$4.99. 2 packs would be $9.98.
Not too bad. You should get 2. Then Anna won't be upset if there's not enough.
Smart. You know, shopping is more complicated than I thought.
Really? I think it's fun.
Fun? It's stressful for me. So many choices, prices, weights in English.
That's the interesting part. You learn how to compare things, how to plan. It's kind of like a game.
Okay, that's true. Do you usually buy frozen food?
Sometimes, like frozen pizza or ice cream. But my mom prefers fresh food.
Yeah, Anna is the same. She says fresh is best, but I secretly like frozen fries.
Me too, especially with ketchup.
Finally, someone understands me. Oh, wow, look at this. Chips, cookies, chocolate bars,
Careful, that's a dangerous aisle.
but so delicious. Should I?
Is it on Anna's list?
Yes, right here. It says Ben's chocolate bar.
Sure.
Don't tell Anna. I think that's everything. Let's go pay.
Hello, do you need a bag?
Yes, please. 1 bag.
That's $30.75. How would you like to pay?
With card?
Please insert your card.
Done.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks.
See, you survived.
Thanks to you, Lily. Next time, maybe you can do my shopping too.
Dream on. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Reflect in English podcast. I'm Maya.
Hey there, listeners. Leo here.
Well, today we're at the supermarket. Supermarkets are like live classrooms. You see labels, prices, signs, people talking. It's a real environment for language learning.
Every aisle has vocabulary, fruits, vegetables, dairy, meat, cleaning products. It's basically an English dictionary with wheels on your shopping cart.
Totally. So, for our listeners, here's a question. Next time you go shopping, can you notice how many English words are around you, even if you're in your own country?
And if you're in an English-speaking country, great! Challenge yourself to ask someone, "Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?"
That's a perfect way to practice.
So, Maya, what about you? Do you enjoy supermarkets?
Honestly, yes. For me, it's like a treasure hunt. I love discovering new products, new flavors.
Oh, so you're one of those people who can spend 2 hours in the supermarket.
Guilty. And I always check the bakery section. Fresh bread is my weakness.
Same. And for me, it's the snack aisle. I could live there.
We should go shopping together. We'd need 2 carts.
Or 3. 1 just for my chips.
Okay, let's expand the supermarket world and give our listeners more useful phrases, idioms, and cultural notes.
Let's do it.
So, Leo, let's build a bigger supermarket in our minds. What if we go through different sections and give our listeners more vocabulary and expressions they can use?
Perfect. Like a supermarket tour.
Exactly. Let's start with the produce section, fruits and vegetables.
Okay, so we already had apples, bananas, carrots, tomatoes, but there are so many more. For example, cucumbers, lettuce, spinach, broccoli, strawberries, grapes.
And the useful expressions. How much are the apples per kilo? Do you have ripe bananas? I'd like half a kilo of grapes, please.
Ripe bananas. I love that. Because sometimes you see green bananas and they're like little rocks.
Yes, and the opposite is overripe when the banana is too soft and brown.
Which is when I make banana bread. See? Waste not.
Smart move. Now, next section, the bakery.
My happy place. Bread, cakes, croissants, bagels, muffins.
Useful phrases. Can I have a loaf of whole wheat bread? Do you sell fresh baguettes? Is there a discount on these muffins?
Oh yes, discounts. That's another important supermarket word. Sale, special offer, 2 for 1.
Yes, and buy one, get one free. People love that.
Except sometimes you buy 2 cakes, eat them both, and regret it later.
Moving on, the dairy section.
Milk, cheese, yogurt, butter.
And expressions like, do you have low-fat milk? Is this cheese sliced or in a block? Could I get a small tub of yogurt?
Tub of yogurt. That's a funny word, tub. Like a tiny bathtub for your yogurt.
That's one way to remember it.
Okay, what about the meat and fish counter?
Yes. There you can say, can I get 500 grams of chicken breast? Could you cut the beef into thin slices? Do you sell fresh salmon?
And the words beef, pork, lamb, sausages, shrimp, tuna.
Also filet, steak, minced meat?
It's spelled F-I-L-L-E-T, but sometimes people say it like filet.
In British English, it's fillet with a clear T. In American English, often filet because of French influence.
See? Even meat has accents.
Exactly. Now let's not forget the cleaning products aisle.
Right. Laundry detergent, dish soap, sponges, toilet paper, paper towels.
And phrases like, I need a big pack of tissues. Where can I find dishwasher tablets? Do you sell eco-friendly products?
Eco-friendly is big now. Even in supermarkets, you see labels like biodegradable, organic, sustainable packaging.
Yes, that's cultural too. Shopping is changing because people care more about the environment.
I once bought eco soap, and it smelled like grass.
Natural freshness.
And then, of course, the snack aisle.
Everyone's favorite. Vocabulary, chips, cookies, candy, crackers, popcorn, chocolate bars.
And phrases. These chips are on sale. I'll grab a family size pack. Let's try a new flavor of popcorn.
Family size, which really means Leo size.
Exactly.
You know what's interesting? Payment methods.
Oh, yes. People don't just say pay. They say, can I pay in cash? Do you take credit cards? Can I tap my card? Do you accept mobile payment?
And don't forget self-checkout. In many countries, you scan and bag items yourself.
Self-checkout is great until the machine says, unexpected item in the bagging area.
Classic. Everyone hates that line.
I always feel guilty, like I committed a supermarket crime.
Hands up, step away from the bagging area.
Exactly.
Let's add some useful idioms related to shopping.
Ooh, nice.
Shop till you drop, meaning shop for a very long time until you're exhausted.
My mom does that.
Another one, a bargain. That means something is very cheap for the value.
Like when you buy a huge pizza for $5, that's a bargain.
Yes, or costs an arm and a leg, meaning something is very expensive.
Like organic blueberries. Why are they always so expensive?
True. Another, window shopping. That's when you look but don't buy.
That's basically me with clothes stores. I look, but my wallet says no.
Let's talk about cultural differences.
Good idea.
In some countries, you bring your own bags. In others, the supermarket provides free bags.
And in some places, they even charge extra if you want plastic bags.
Yes, that's to encourage reusable bags. Also, in many European supermarkets, you pay a small coin to use a shopping cart, and you get the coin back when you return the cart.
That's smart. Otherwise, people leave carts everywhere.
In the US, supermarkets are often huge with 20 or more aisles. In small towns, there might be tiny family-owned grocery stores.
And in Asia, markets can be outdoors with fresh fruits, vegetables, and spices.
So shopping culture is different, but the language of buying food is universal.
You know, talking about all this food, I'm getting hungry.
Me too. Let's not record podcasts on an empty stomach.
So, final advice for our listeners. Next time you go shopping, notice the English words on packages. Or practice by writing your list in English.
Great idea. You can also role play. Pretend to ask, "Excuse me, where's the milk?" even if you already know where it is.
Exactly.
And don't forget to enjoy it. Supermarkets are fun.
That's true. One shopping trip, one English lesson.
Well, Leo, I think we've walked through every aisle of our imaginary supermarket today.
And somehow, I didn't spend a single dollar.
True, but you also didn't get to eat any free samples.
Oh no, that's the best part of shopping. You walk in hungry, you walk out slightly less hungry.
I once went to a supermarket where they gave out tiny cups of soup. It felt like I was at a mini restaurant.
Free soup? Wow. My local place only gives out dry crackers.
Well, better than nothing. But let's be honest, you'd probably circle around 3 times just to get more.
Of course. I'd even change my hat and pretend to be a different person. Oh, hello. Yes, I've never tried this cracker before.
You're terrible. But I get it. Supermarkets are full of these little human moments. You go in for eggs and you come out with chickens.
Or with 10 bags of snacks.
In your case, yes. Daily comedy.
For me, the comedy is when I can't find things. I walk around pretending I know what I'm doing, but inside I'm screaming, "Where is the pasta sauce?"
I do that too. And then I finally ask someone and they point. It's right in front of my face. Anyway, I think this is a good time to wrap up.
Yeah, before I get too hungry.
Thank you all for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this supermarket journey, learned some new words, and maybe laughed a little too.
And next time you go shopping, remember, practice your English, don't mix up your vocabulary list with your shopping list, and maybe buy some chocolate.
We'll see you in the next episode of Reflect in English podcast.
Until then, happy shopping and happy learning.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.